Everyone, my name is Sunal Trivedi, and yesterday I taught you proxemics and kinesics in detail, gesture, posture, movements, and etc. And person zones, intimate space, public space, and social distance, and why and how to do we conduct in market also. सो एंड यूनिट 1 में हमने अब तक प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन विद डायग्राम पढ़ाया हुआ है. And number 2 is proxemics, kinesics, verbal and non-verbal communications. Today I am going to teach you Today I am going to teach you paralinguistic features. Paralinguistic, Paralinguistic. Paralinguistic features. Paralinguistic features are the non-verbal aspects of our voice. यहाँ पर आपको देखना है कि पैरा का मीनिंग क्या है और इसमें कौन कौन से पार्ट्स हैं. एस्पेक्ट्स. नंबर 1 इज़ कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अवर स्पीच. वॉल्यूम यानी आपकी आवाज़ कैसी है, और वो भी स्पीच में, स्पीकिंग वॉइस. The volume of our speech must neither be too loud or too hurt to the ears of others. ऐसी भी लाउड वॉइस नहीं होनी चाहिए कि सामने वालों को they dislike your voice communications. No, your tone of voice must be silent and effective, and also be to contain the interest of the listeners to the end of your speech. The volume of our speech must neither to be loud to hurt the ears of others, normal to be too soft to leave confusion. इतना भी नॉर्मल नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो लोग कन्फ्यूजन डाउट्स उनके माइंड में आए. लो वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो इंडिकेट्स लो कॉन्फिडेंस. इट्स ट्रू डियर ऑल. लो वॉल्यूम ऑल्सो इंडिकेट्स लो कॉन्फिडेंस. हैंस वी मस्ट मेंटेन मॉडरेट, यानी क्वालिफाई करना चाहिए वॉल्यूम वाइल स्पीकिंग. Whenever we are speaking with anyone else, we must moderate, we must maintain our voice quality, be confident, and also clarity of your voice. Number 2, pace. Pace, it is also known as rate or speed of speaking. Place वो और एक either it is available the word of pace, rate or speed of speaking is also very important. कि आपकी बोलने में आपकी स्पीड कितनी है. Some people speak so fast that the listener has to force very hard to be able to catch every word. You don't have to speak so fastly that it is more difficult for the listener what you are going to speak on which topic, while others speak so loudly that the listener is bored. अगर आप इतना speak loudly slowly बोलोगे, इतना भी slowly मत बोलो, the listener would be, he or she is feeling boring your lectures. Therefore it is important to maintain medium speed of speech. You must have to maintain medium. जहाँ पर आपको emphasis stress लगना है, obviously you must have to put stress on your speech so that clarity of each voice is there without losing the interest of the listener. यानी कि it is very most important that the speaker must be able to understand कि are they getting what exactly I am sharing my ideas regarding etc. So your pace, rate, speed of voice quality इतनी लो भी नहीं होनी चाहिए, मिडल होना चाहिए. Yes, they are getting what exactly I am sharing with them. Number 3, pitch. Pitch. Pitch means the frequency of the speech. Frequency of the speech. We can change the pitch from low to high or vice versa, and high to low. हम low to high भी जा सकते हैं, and vice versa, high to low, to create an interest in the mind of the listeners. Listener के mind में, if you want to create in the mind of the listener, our pitch of voice must be high and low, and sometimes vice versa. Good orators have the key of using different pitch at different time. Good orators वो हमेशा अपनी skills बदलते हैं. It depends on the times. Different pitch at different times to attract sudden attention of the listeners. Sudden attention, it may be rising tone, falling tone, और उनकी क्वालिटी ऑफ स्पीच कैसी है, फ्रिक्वेंसी कैसी है उनकी. नंबर 4, इंटोनेशन, आर्टिकुलेशन, प्रोनाउंसिएशन. Intonation and articulation, it means the way we give expression to the words. Intonation and articulation, it means the way we give expression to the words. हम किस तरह अपनी आवाज़ को मोर एम्फेसाइज मोर स्ट्रेसफुल बना के उसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. द इंटोनेशन एड्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड. It also adds to the meaning of the word and creates more impact on the mind of the listener. Also, correct pronunciation is very important as English language has many words with nearly same pronunciation. This may lead to confusion if you don't understand the intonation, articulation, and if you are watching any movie, articulation अगर समझ में नहीं आया और pronunciation you can't listen it properly. Obviously, a person is listen your voice. There are maybe some doubts coming into his or her mind, and maybe confusion may occur. Number 5, voice modulation. Everyone does not have a great quality of voice. Everyone does not have a great quality of voice. हर एक को ऐसे नहीं ज़रूरत कि अच्छी क्वालिटी वॉइस की हुई, बट इफ़ प्रैक्टिस्ड वॉइस क्वालिटी कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड. अगर प्रैक्टिस में वॉइस क्वालिटी मस्ट बी इम्प्रूव्ड so that it becomes pleasant for the ears of a listener. It may be pleasant, or whosoever is the listener of your speech, he or she is taking interest to listen your speech. Some people even change their voices to emphasize. Some people even change their voices, depends on situations, intonations, and the topic. A person is sharing his idea on this topic to emphasize on a certain point and attract the attention of the audience. Poses. आपको pose लेना है. You must have to stop taking short and long poses. Short pose लेने का या long poses from time to time indicates the use of punctuations. It also indicates the use of punctuations. Use of punctuation आपने verbally कैसे किया है and makes a sentence clear. It also helps to make your sentence clear also. Pause in a sentence or speech. It makes a sentence clear and easy to understand the listener also. Moreover, giving a long pause, बहुत लंबी आपको pause लेना है, helps in giving some time to the listener to think about the point you just made. Whatever the topic is completed by you, you must have to be aware which topic I have ended right now. It shows the importance of that point and demands more attention of the listener also. So it depends on the listener how you can maintain a interest of your speech on the mind of the listener who listen your voice. Key components of interpersonal communication. Next point, key components of interpersonal communication. First of all, the word interpersonal, it means that it seems to be simple as we communicate with others. जिस तरह हम एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं डेली रूटीन में, वी कम्युनिकेट विद अदर्स डेली, बट इनफैक्ट इज़ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. अगर वो कॉम्प्लिकेट कब हो जाए? ड्यू टू सम रीज़न, ड्यू टू द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ 2 or more यूनिक इंडिविजुअल्स. व्हेन 2 or more यूनिक, अगर कोई मोमेंट्स में कोई स्पेशल इंडिविजुअल इंटरनल हो गए, ऑब्वियसली कन्फ्यूजन में अकर. देयर आर मेनी ऑब्वियस बैरियर्स टू पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन लाइक नॉइस इन द एनवायरनमेंट, नॉइस एटमोसफियर एनवायरनमेंट हो तो varied perceptions, different psychological barriers, etc. These all are the may be affects. These are barriers it may affect during your speech, for which makes it ineffective voice modulation. To sum them up all, let's examine the key components that influence the way people communicate with each other. These key components are very important for the organizational communication to happen effectively. Next, self-concept. The senders or communicators or receivers, or we can say listeners' concept about self largely influences the way they communicate with each other. जिस तरह वो लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, depends on them. Not only that, the communicator's perception of how the other person sees him or her, it also affects the way they communicate. There can be misunderstandings or misinterpretation due to this perception. सेल्फ कंसेप्ट अगर उनकी वॉइस में ही नहीं रहा, इट मे बी अकर्स ड्यू टू द रीज़न ऑफ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड मिस इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ योर कंसेप्शन. Number two, clarity of expression. While communicating, it is important to choose the correct words. It is important to choose the correct words. Give complete information, not the half information. Never ever share half information. Give or share complete information. Be concise and use effective sentences. मोरओवर नॉन वर्बल क्यूज़, यानी कि नॉन वर्बल आया यानी आपको पता होना चाहिए काइनेसिक्स में मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, जेस्चर्स एंड पोस्चर्स मस्ट बी अलाइनमेंट विद द वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन के साथ साथ ये आपके काइनेसिक्स, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, gesture, it may be involved in your communication and help in giving more meaning to the content. Incorrect use of words and sentences. Incorrect use of words and sentences, incomplete information or incongruent or non-verbal cues leaves the listener confused. So never ever pass any message which is halved. You must have to fill up all the requirements of the listener also, all the information, all the words. So don't be, so that the listener not be confused in between. Number three, interpersonal relationship within organization. विदिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशन कैसे कंडक्ट करते हैं? द काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप दैट वन शेयर्स विद अदर्स. द काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, जिस तरह आपकी रिलेशन दैट वन शेयर्स विद अदर्स ऑल्सो डिसाइड्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, डिसाइड द क्वालिटी ऑफ द कम्युनिकेशन की कैसे एंड दैट टेक्स प्लेस बिटवीन देम. द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल डायनामिक्स, इट मीन्स डायनामिक का मीनिंग मैंने ब्रैकेट्स में लिखा हुआ सिनोनिम, growth development offers different challenges with respect to human relations. People have some close friends while they don't get along with others in the organization. So you have to must maintain close friends in organization also while they don't get along. जबकि वो लोग आपको लगे नहीं वो अकेला है, you must have to maintain a long term relationship in organization. Due to competition, the individuals have to deal with feelings of anger. कंपटीशन अगर हो, जहाँ पर आप खड़े हो, इफ़ यू फाइंड दैट देयर इज़ अ कंपटीशन इन इंडिविजुअल्स, यू हैव टू डील विथ फीलिंग्स ऑफ एंगर. वहाँ पर एंगर होगा आपका, रिसेंटमेंट होगा, जेलेसी इज़ देयर, इनसिक्योरिटी यू फील देयर, distrust, authority, threat, etc. you will be find there. This asks for not only improving our communication skills but also a lot of introspection, reading to polishing ourselves in order to have better relations with everyone in the organization. Introspection यानी a person is searching in himself okay, what exactly I am sharing with them today. Does it have I fulfilled their dreams or not, etc. Intercultural communication with organization. People's style of communication is the outcome of the culture in which they have been brought up. People's style of communication, लोगों की स्टाइल है आपको कम्युनिकेशन करने की, is the outcome of the culture in which they have been brought up. Verbal aspects include different languages used by different communities. Verbal aspect यानी orally words which we are going to use and share our language to anyone else, include different languages used by different communities. In variable business surroundings, intercultural communication helps the employees and organizations to stand distinct. क्या आप कहीं पर भी खड़े हो, you have to stand distinct space and create their own value in the market. You must have to create your own value in the market. These skills help to achieve thoughtful discussions. These skills help to achieve this skill. Intercultural में you are going to involve in many cultures to achieve thoughtful discussions and help with developing business contracts and deals. It depends on you. It depends on your verbal communications in intercultural communications also. People who possess such skills, जो लोग इसके skills possess करते हैं, are able to boost free flow of communication. They all are able to boost their free flow of communication with the help of differing background and culture. For effective intercultural communication, effective अगर आपको intercultural communication बनाने के लिए, it is essential for the businessmen and employees dealing across the borders, to be aware of the culture distinctions. You must have to maintain a culture distinction, and this is the main point, that you have to maintain your own personal growth in your communication or in organization where you are going to stand. Thank you very much. और यूनिट 1 है, उसका असाइनमेंट नंबर 3 है. टुडे आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू what are paralinguistic features, explain their importance with special reference to delivering a presentation, what is the importance of interpersonal communication in organization, and number 3, what is the importance of intercultural communication in professional life. Thank you all.